Hi, this is Emma from Pixies Productions. This morning I received a parcel from Resin. It was the resin that we've been waiting for. I'm just going to slightly tilt it so you can actually see it well. So we've got the low velocity, this is part A, that's 500 mils. Low velocity hardener, part B, another 500 mils. Get a little thank you, and then it came with a stirring stick and a pair of gloves, which is quite impressive. So I'm gonna do some hearts and some blanks today. So for now I'm gonna get these two parts in a hot bath for 10 minutes. So we will be back shortly. We are back now that the resin has been in the hot bath. So what we're going to do is we're going to do these hearts here. So to start off with, I'm going to mix up some resin. So you start with ratios 1:1, so 30 grams of this. Oh wow, it even has a cap in it. Pop that out. Pour 30 grams in slowly. There we go. Make sure you get the right lids. Make sure you get the right lids on. Slightly over, so just going to pour some back in, put back on the scale, like that. There we go. Lid back on. Turn that off for now. Craft the resin. That's the resin we're using. to do is going to chop this glittery white one off here. Glitter into the mould, as I don't know whether I'll use all the resin. Normally I'd mix it into the resin, but you can mix it in whilst it's in the mould. Just be careful with your silicone mould. So I'm just getting a plastic pot. I always fold the cord. Fold the cord again. And then you just want to touch it up with your lighter, get rid of any of the bubbles. And then, as I've got one here that needs some adding to it, and actually just quickly look and see whether I've got any that matched it. I'm just going to add some gold glitter to this one. Have a good mix in. I'll let that dry and then maybe put another layer, maybe a different colour or something in that one. So here the hearts that are finished. Apparently my phone only likes to do 10-minute videos, so you may have only seen one of the hearts being created. Next time I'll do it on the camera so you see the full journey. But this is what we've got so far. I hope you like them, and I'll do another video doing them again shortly. Probably in a few days, to be honest. So like and subscribe, comment which one's your favourite, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hi everyone, this is Emma at Pixies Productions. So today we are doing a demolding video. So yesterday I poured these lovely hearts. You've probably seen a photo already. So let's begin. This was with the craft resin. So I'll start on this one. So this will be a pen stand. So what I do is I drill a hole there, and then your diamond pen can stand in it. So the back, and there's the front again. So that one's sold. Oh wow. So this is a white glitter. Oh, that's what I forgot to say. That's obviously purple glitter. This one's a white glitter heart pen stand. Hole will go there again. And then there's the back. I hope you're getting a good picture of this. So that one's sold as well. Oh wow. This is the gold maca powder with a purple centre. And then it's see-through. So yeah, again, there'll be a hole in the middle. And that one is a pending sale. Oh wow. So obviously I'll get the excess off before I send it out. This is the pink and blue heart. They all will be slightly different, even if they are the same colours. But that one is sold from this morning. So I'll actually send a picture of this as well to the customer, like with all of them. This one is actually available. So that's got like a silver layer and then loads of gold glitter. There's the back. Front again. So that one is available if anybody would like it. I'll get some pictures uploaded. And then this one was 4 shades of blue. Get a picture of all of them at the end to show as well in the video. Well, that was quite nice. That one is pending sale. So I'm going to actually do some more of these up today. So I'm sure you'll get to see another video of me pouring some hearts. If you are interested in the hearts, they are $7.50. That's UK GMT pounds. They're $10 if you're USA dollars. Canadian dollars, they're 13 Canadian dollars. And I might have butchered that. But the price list will be below anyway in the comments, so that you can see for yourselves. It'll be free worldwide shipping, and they come in various colours. And I've got various glitters, got some tinsels, but I don't really like tinsels much. Got some maca powders, and oh, just 2 seconds. I knew I'd forget some of that. I have this. So I'm going to try this in one. I'm not sure whether it's good for resin or not, but you don't know until you try. So yeah, I'll be back shortly with a resin heart diamond pen stand video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Click the notification bell button so that you know when there's new videos. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.